Cluster SMT. And the winner is Ersa VERSAFIT One. With the VERSAFIT One, Ersa presents a semi-automatic press-in machine that combines precision, process reliability, and ease of use. It enables flux-free press-in without thermal stress, ensuring high-load electrical connections with minimal contact resistance. Thanks to quick tool changes and scalability from prototype to series production, it is ideal for small and medium-sized companies. The machine is particularly suitable for applications in power electronics, such as in e-mobility, energy, and charging technology. A practical solution that closes the gap between manual and fully automated production.
We are very proud, and it's a big honor to get this award. On one side, we opened with this new VERSAFIT One a market for the medium size press fit technology, and on the other side, we show the power of our Ersa company. Then the engineering comes from Ersa, and the production by himself was done by our sister company, the Ersa Schiller. This shows the power of our company and that we are very fast, time to market with the VERSAFIT One.